So, welcome guys, welcome to today's lesson on ETABS. In today's lesson, we are going to be checking about the column detailing. So what we'll do is select column, select object type, and select columns. Okay, select it, close, show selected objects only, and we'll check it in 3D. So let's go around and see the column with the most load. Okay, so I put it on all storage. So once I select one with the most load, I can see it. Okay, I can see this column is the most loadly code. So select this column, select all story, and select this column. All stories there will be selected. Show selected objects only. Now we can see this. So we can see it is overstressed. So right click on it and click details. Okay, so let me make it 150. Now you can see what is telling me, what is providing. It will provide 6,075, and it's exceeding the 4% limit. But don't forget, the code still says in Euro code 2, once you check the maximum allowable, it says maximum is 4%. But if you can be sure of the integrity of column, then you can go on to 8% at the lapping position. So for this case, since it's a high-rise building, I believe that the integrity of the concrete will be good. So I'll still give us this permission. So we can see the area of seal of this. So for my case, I'm providing 12H25 plus 2H16 for the first floor. Then the next floor, once I put my mouse on it, I'm seeing 5,065. I'm providing 10H25 and 2H16. Then the next floor, I'm providing 2H25, 2H16. Let's see it. That's 3,000. Yes. Then the next one, I'm providing 1,031, which is 6H20. Yes. Then the remaining one, I'm providing 6H16. Now the reason why I'm providing them is, if you look at the top, let's look at the top. It's asking me to provide a reinforcement of this at the top, then this here, this here. So we can see that the ones on top are still a little bit bigger than the one on the bottom. So it doesn't make practical sense for me to have 6H16 at these last two floors. Then the remaining floors, I will just have 6H12. It doesn't make any sense. So what I'll just do is use the worst one down here, and I'm going to use it for the detailing. So for the columns, I want us to note the way it's being spliced. Now we are splicing it at the top of the slab. Then we have a kicker of 75, and we have a lap length of 1 meter. Okay, so for each floor we have something typical similar to that. Okay, so if you have any question in the comment section, you can drop it in the comment section.